video. We've got these guys. These are mirror covers. They're like BMW style. I'll show you what they look like. Looking like that. We're gonna put these on both sides. Gonna wash the mirror caps real quick. Alright, so then I've kind of did it the best way I could. That one. That. I think that's good. Bring it on there. Coming off. There we go. Got one done. Alright. We're back. Get the other one done. Slide the other one on. Just like that. We're all good, man. Take that off my paint. But we're all good. We're all done. That was just a very simple install for a mod that looks very, very good and very, very aggressive. See, come up on the side profile. It's good. Match the carbon fiber on the door handles here. There we are. Looking good. Here, looking good. We got the turn this on. Got the carbon fiber right here. We need to install carbon fiber right here, and then we'll be done. Those types of things under control, but like that. Stick that down. We're good. We're not moving. We're good.